Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving deep, well, maybe not that deep, but we're going to be glancing over some fancy words you might have heard floating around the internet. Words that some people use to try to sound, well, let's just say smarter than they actually are. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and get ready to have your mind. Not exactly blown, but maybe slightly impressed by my vocabulary. Prowess. All right, word number one. Incongruous. Imagine this. You open your fridge, looking for a yogurt. You open it up all excited and bam, a sock, a dirty sock, just sitting there in the yogurt container. That, my friends, is incongruous. It means things that don't go together, like a bike with one wheel. It's weird and unexpected, like a bad joke. Juxtaposed. This fancy word basically means putting two things next to each other in a way that creates some kind of contrast or tension, like a movie poster with a bright sunshine paradise on one side and a dark, stormy wasteland on the other. Juxtaposition. It's not just about shoving opposites together, though. You could juxtapose ideas, like the idea of peace with the harsh reality of war. Makes you think, right? Well, hopefully for more than 2 seconds. Moving on to laudable. Now, this one's a bit more straightforward. It just means something is worthy of praise. Something good and admirable, like donating all your clothes to charity, laudable. Finally getting around to cleaning your room after a month, maybe not that laudable, but hey, gotta start somewhere, right? All right, this one is tricky. Mercurial means someone's mood changes quickly and often, like the weather. One minute they're happy, the next they're sad. They can be hard to predict. Finally, we have nonchalant. This one basically means acting like nothing phases you, like you're the epitome of chill. You could be on a roller coaster going upside down 100 times a second, and a true nonchalant person would just be like, super chill tone. Yeah, this is fine. Been on this ride, it's whatever. Now, whether that's impressive composure or just denial, well, that's a question for the philosophers. So there you have it. 5 new words to add some flavor to your conversations. Remember, using new vocabulary is a fun way to learn and express yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, but don't get too cumbersome with it. Hit that like button, sub.